Properly taking the time to prep your client and perfect your pre-draw before your procedure are two critical factors in creating a positive experience for your client. Not only do you want to keep your client calm and comfortable during their procedure, but taking the extra time to perfect their pre-draw is going to make them feel very confident in the look of their brows before you make them permanent. Here are Tina's 5 steps that she takes during every appointment to keep her clients happy and safe before their procedure. Step 1. Numb your client's skin. When your client arrives, take the time to answer any questions that they might have about the procedure and apply numbing cream to them as soon as they arrive. Leave them for 20 to 30 minutes to numb before starting the procedure. While the client is numbing, you can take this time to talk to them about what kind of eyebrow style they want and look through any inspo pictures that they may bring. This is a great opportunity to talk to your client about what they desire for their eyebrows and to also watch their face for any facial expressions to give them eyebrows that will really light up their face. Step 2. Prep your pencil. Whether you're using a pencil or a marker to map out your client's eyebrow design, you want to make sure that everything is 100% sanitized before use. Make sure to clean the tip of the pencil or marker with a sanitizer that contains at least 70% alcohol. Tina prefers to use the Pro Silk pencil, which she can shave down to a fine point. She'll then create the strokes on the client's eyebrows, which she can use as a guide while she's microblading. Step 3. Prep the procedure area. Remove the topical anesthetic with a tissue, and then take an alcohol pad and remove any excess topical anesthetic. You want to make sure that you remove any oil from the skin so that your pencil does not slip when you're drawing the design. Step 4. Draw. Now is the time to grab your favorite tool and begin the design process. Tina uses a freehand approach, and she likes to design for impact first and symmetry second. A tip that many artists might not know is that most people have varied contours and bone structures on each side of their face, so trying to achieve perfect symmetry for both eyebrows shouldn't be the goal. Oftentimes, when artists try to use measuring tools to create the exact same eyebrows on both sides, they actually end up looking uneven and unsymmetrical. The goal should be to find balance between the eyebrow design and the client's face. Step 5. Time to make the brows permanent with the finest sterilized tool. Show your client the prepackaged, sterilized needle and tell them that the pigments are sterilized, safe, cruelty-free, and vegan. Be well prepared for your client with the Sterile Kit. If you want to try out Tina's go-to tools and up your prep and pre-draw game, check out the Skinny and Pro pencil linked in the description box below. If you have any questions about prep and pre-draw, leave them in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.